Hey guys, this is Maria from TrueWaySocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to insert text on Instagram Reels for different times. Instagram lets users choose the duration and location of text on Reels videos. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Go to the Instagram Home tab, swipe right or click on Your Story in the upper left corner. Hit Reels at the bottom of the screen. Record a video or upload the one from your camera roll. Press on the arrow button. After that, tap the text icon at the top of the screen. Type in text that you would like to appear in your video. Choose the font style and color. As you can see, text appears as fields over the video's timeline. Now hit text and set the duration on the timeline when you want text to appear in the video and when to disappear. Don't forget that you can also insert stickers or draw something on your video if you want. Then click on the arrow button. The only thing left to do is to post your video, so press on the share button. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to insert text on Instagram Reels for different times. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TrueWaySocial.com.